So, hi everybody. Like always, I am back in front of you. Through this video, I will let you know what is language. Today, a number of people are confused over language. They consider language is if you speak with advanced word, if you use idioms, if you use phrasal verbs, if you use proverbs. This is a language, but they are totally wrong. This is not a language. If you are able to reply, it means you know language. If you are able to speak, it means you know language. Even if you or even while you give answer in simple words, what really matters that is you are able to answer. Yes. So many people think if I give answer in different type of answer, the other person may think I don't know language. No, this is wrong. Some, for instance, for example, I am taking this example just for understanding purpose. Yes. So many people says in reply I am good, and they always speak this sentence. Instead, you can also say I am fine, I'm all right, I'm a good, because language is not about, yes, in order to speak perfect answer, it is about giving reply, it is about express your message to people. But today, what is happening in our world, in our surrounding? Many people are attempting to learning advanced word, advanced vocabulary. My advice you to is just learn to answer in simple words, just learn to say simple sentences, and this simple sentence will help you in order to speak English naturally, in order to boost your confidence naturally. Yeah, you have to believe in this thing. If I, in my case, I strongly believe in this thing. When a person is able to answer in simple words, yes, able to give his opinion in simple words, sooner or later, one or the another day, he will surely give answer to people in advanced word. Once you are able to answer people, able to communicate with people, you will automatically speak advanced word. You will automatically sound like a native. Over time, it will not happen all of a sudden. It will not happen overnight. Yeah. So through this video, I am making you a request. Yes, I make a request to you all. Don't stretch your sentence. Don't force your mind to speak advanced sentences. Whatever comes in your mind while speaking, just speak out. Yes, but the thing is, you must be speaking in mannerly. If you speak ill-mannered, nobody will like you. Yes, so remember.